Hello and welcome to another GCSE revision video, and in this video we're looking at the AQA GCSE 8300 series. This is the second paper in the higher tier. It's the November 2017 past papers. It is a calculator paper, so we are allowed to use calculators. And we pick it up in question 7, which reads, describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle A to triangle B. Okay, so the first thing we notice is that triangle A is bigger than triangle B. So if we remember the mathematical term for changing the size, we can say enlargement, and that gets us our first point without doing anything else. So it's enlargement. So if we do nothing else with this question, we've already got 1 mark. Now, the next thing to get a mark is to figure out by how much. So, the point is, if you say gets bigger, gets smaller, grows, shrinks, then that would get you 0 marks. So make sure you know the mathematical term enlargement for a transformation that changes the size. Now, in terms of how much, the base of this triangle A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units, and the base of triangle B is 2 units. So triangle B has shrunk by a factor of 3, but we don't say shrunk, we say enlargement. So it's actually grown by a factor of 1/3. So you'd say scale factor one-third. And that's your second mark. Now, where's the centre of the enlargement? We can find that out by drawing a line from the vertices of the pyramid of the triangle. And so we go from this vertex to this vertex. I will extend the line in both directions because at this moment we don't know where the lines are going to cross. And then if we draw, oh no, I've already got my line. So from here through this one. And we already know now where they cross, so there's no need to extend the other line. And just to be sure, we can join this vertex to this vertex. And you can see the centre of the enlargement is at 5, 1. So if I was to draw my vectors in, not that I need to, but if I did, let's make it a bit thicker so you can see. And then if I draw my other one, you can see that the vector to A is 3 times bigger than vector B. So what we've done, we've taken the vector for A from the centre and we've multiplied it by 1/3 to get to our vertices. Anyway, and you can see what I'm going to do with the other one. Actually, I will put it in just for thoroughness. And then the other vector would have gone to here. Okay, so our third point comes from saying centre at 5, 1. You don't need to draw in those vectors, and don't waste your time drawing the vectors on the exam. So long as you've traced the vertices of the shape and you figured out where they converge, you'll have your centre for your enlargement. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. If you're taking your GCSEs this year, I'd like to wish you every success with your revision and every success with your exams, and I look forward to seeing you in another video.